Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Alpha here at Tech AI Brain. You know what absolutely blows my mind every single day? How deep learning is literally reshaping our world right under our noses. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to be just as amazed as I am. But hold up, before we dive into the mind-blowing stuff, let me break down what deep learning actually is, because I bet some of you are wondering. You know how we learn things? Like how you learn to recognize a dog by seeing thousands of dogs throughout your life. Deep learning does something similar, but at an absolutely insane scale. Imagine you're teaching a baby what a cat is. You show them pictures, let them pet cats, and eventually, they just get it. Deep learning is like that, but instead of taking years, it can process millions of examples in hours. It uses these things called neural networks. Think of them as digital brain cells that we've stacked together in layers. Each layer learns something different, just like different parts of our brain handle different tasks. Pretty cool, right? But here's where it gets absolutely wild. The applications of deep learning in our world today. Honestly, they sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But they're real, and they're happening right now. Let me show you 5 that will completely blow your mind. First up, and this one gets me every time. Deep learning systems are now detecting diseases in medical images better than human doctors. No joke, I was at this medical tech conference last month, and this researcher showed me how their system caught early-stage lung cancer that 3 different experienced doctors had missed. Think about that for a second. We're not replacing doctors. We're giving them a superpower. It's like an AI assistant that never gets tired and can spot tiny details humans might miss. But wait, it gets better. Have you ever been in a foreign country, trying to order food or ask for directions, and just stood there doing awkward hand gestures? Those days are practically over. Deep learning has revolutionized translation so much that we now have earbuds that can translate conversations in real time. I actually got to test these at a tech meet recently. It felt like I was living in Star Trek. The crazy part, it even picks up on context and cultural nuances. Like it knows the difference between you're sick, meaning you're awesome, and you're sick, meaning you need a doctor. Old translation tools could never do that. Now, let's talk about something that's going to change how we all get around. Self-driving cars with deep learning. But here's the twist that most people don't know about. These cars are all connected in a giant network, sharing their experiences. Imagine if every driver on Earth could instantly learn from everyone else's driving experience. That's exactly what's happening. One car encounters a new situation, like, say, how to handle a construction zone with unusual markings. And within minutes, every other car in the network knows how to handle it. It's like a hive mind of vehicles getting smarter every single day. Speaking of mind-blowing stuff, let's talk about creativity. You might think that's one area where machines could never match humans, right? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. Deep learning systems are now creating original artwork and composing music that's so good, even experts can't tell it's AI-made. Check this out. I'm going to play you 2 pieces of music. One was composed by an AI, one by a human composer. Let me know in the comments which one you think is which. Seriously, when I played these for my friends, none of them could tell the difference. And here's one that really gets me excited because it's helping save our planet. Deep learning is becoming one of our biggest allies in fighting climate change and protecting endangered species. These systems are analyzing satellite images to catch illegal deforestation as it happens, predicting weather patterns with incredible accuracy. And get this, they can even recognize individual animals in the wild by their markings or faces. It's like having millions of environmental scientists working around the clock to protect our planet. But you want to know the craziest part about all of this? We're just getting started. The pace of advancement in deep learning is absolutely insane. Things that seemed impossible just a year ago are now happening every day. I've been teaching tech for years, and I've never seen anything move this fast. You know what really excites me, though? All of this technology is becoming more accessible. You don't need to be a PhD or work at a big tech company to get involved. That's exactly why we're here at Tech AI Brain, breaking down these complex topics, so you can understand them and even start experimenting with them yourself. Think about it. 10 years ago, if I told you your phone would be able to recognize your face, translate languages instantly, and create professional-looking photos from text descriptions, you'd have thought I was crazy. But here we are, and the stuff coming in the next few years. Mind-blowing doesn't even begin to cover it. We're talking about AI that can help find new medicines by simulating millions of chemical combinations in seconds. Systems that can predict and prevent natural disasters before they happen. AI that can help people with disabilities interact with the world in completely new ways. The possibilities are endless. That can predict and prevent natural disasters before they happen. AI that can help people with disabilities interact with the world in completely new ways. The possibilities are endless. I'll tell you something personal. Every time I dive into researching these developments for our videos, I feel like a kid in a candy store. The excitement of seeing these breakthroughs, of understanding how they work, and sharing them with you. It's what gets me jumping out of bed every morning. You know what? I really want to hear your thoughts on this. Which of these applications surprised you the most? What do you think deep learning will be capable of in 5 years? Drop your predictions in the comments below. I read every single one, and I love having these discussions with you all. And hey, if you're as fascinated by this stuff as I am, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. We've got tons more mind-blowing tech content coming your way, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. This is Alpha from Tech AI Brain, and remember, the future isn't coming, it's already here. We just need to learn how to use it. See you in the next one.